Okay guys, I'm going to take you through a quick holiday gym workout. So this is just a hotel gym. It's going to be a very quick booty workout. So let's go. We're going to start with some freestanding weights and we're going to superset. So we want to do some sumo squats with the dumbbell. And we want to do 10 and we want to do it nice and slowly. So about 3 seconds down, 3 seconds up. And then after that, we're going to superset into the Romanian stiff leg. And we're just going to do 10 as well. So it's just going to be a superset of those. So I haven't done this exercise in a very long time, but it is a really good exercise for your glutes. So if your hotel has one of these babies, let's get started. So you want to be on an angle, put it up, and you want to push it. So I could probably even come a bit closer. Oh yeah, this is a really old machine. Anyway, probably want to do about 12 on each leg. So you want to be progressively overloading, keep going up on weight, and we'll probably do about 5 sets because we're not supersetting this. Let's get started. So we'll do 12 on this leg. You'll find one leg is way stronger than the other one, and that is why we do this, to make them both as strong as each other. This is my weak leg. So the last and final thing that we're going to do after that is walking lunges. So you want to do 100 bodyweight walking lunges. This is just to burn you out. So hopefully you've got space wherever you are. And you just want to be making sure that your knee touches the ground and you're leaning forward, pushing from your back leg so it really pushes from your bum. And you should feel it in your bum. So always push from the heel. And 100 of those. So let's get started. But that's the workout, just nice and quick. Only 4 exercises, first 2 being a superset, so you should be able to get this done within 20 minutes. So nice and quick. Hope you guys enjoyed.